Now we're going to look at a second equation called the distance formula, which we'll use a lot. So with the distance formula, this is finding the total length of a segment. And we do this by plugging in the square root of x2 minus x1 plus squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. This formula, the more you do it, the easier it's going to get. I promise. It just takes practice. The more you do it, it's going to come more natural to you. So here I have two lengths. I want to find the distance of FG and JK. I'm going to start with FG. So I need to start by figuring out what my 2 points are. I see that F is at 1, 2. So we went over 1, up 2. And I see that G is at 5, 5. So now I'm going to write my formula. Distance equals x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. This one will be 1, this one will be 2. So my second x is 5, my first x is 1. My second y is 5, my first y is 2. I'll subtract. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. Woo. 4 squared is 16. 3 squared is 9. That equals 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So up here, I'm going to write that 5G is equal to 5. Now I'm going to solve for my second problem. I'm just out of room. Oh gosh. Yep. No, I do want to do that. Okay, now we're going to look at JK. So J is at -4, 0. And K is at -1, -3. I'm going to plug this into the problem. I have x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. -1 minus -4, when you minus a negative, it turns into a plus sign. So this is going to be 3 squared plus -3 squared. So here I get 9 plus 9, which is approximately the square root of 18. If I simplify this, doing a factor tree, I have 2 3s and 1 2. So it simplifies to 3 square root 2. After doing the distance formula, I can now see that 5 and 3 square root 2 are not the same value. So these two segments are not equal.